RPA engineering is engaged in the design facilities for a myriad of different types of batteries. Those types of batteries include lead-acid batteries used in more traditional senses, both the wet side of the battery and the dry side. Additionally, we're engaged in the design of facilities that produce batteries for energy storage, mainly in the solar industry. And lastly, we are also involved in facilities that produce batteries for electric vehicles.
We have a significant amount of experience in lead-acid battery manufacturing plants. We've done several large manufacturing sites in remote locations for lead-acid battery production. Using our experience in the MEP field as well as process piping, we've assisted the customer in developing large 3D models of their process piping plants and working through the design with them through multi-year projects.
As the demand for energy storage increases, we're seeing clients come to us with requests for help installing equipment and getting their facilities to the level they need to operate at in order to produce energy storage as a product. In a manufacturing environment, there are specific requirements that the processes dictate you have, which leads to utility requirements as well as specific process requirements that need to be addressed in an engineering manner so that those get installed properly and can produce the product that is intended.
When you're dealing with large pieces of equipment in the manufacturing environment, some of the challenges you can face are how much utility infrastructure you may need to support that process. As a result, RPA is very good at making quick analysis of what is required and how do they get the customer to operation with the least amount of cost.
When a client comes to us with the need for a new manufacturing facility or to expand their current operation, in addition to the processes and utilities that they need help setting up, sometimes they have requests for material storage, the flow of equipment and processes throughout the plant, and we can also help them design that and get that to be the most efficient process for them.
So when it comes to electric vehicles, one of the things that is unique about our capabilities is we're not just simply designing the project where they give us a set of requirements, we go back, look at that in a black box and deliver it to the customer. We are an integrated part of their team. That means we're dealing daily with not only the customer and what they want in terms of their end need, but we're also working very closely with their engineers.
The electric vehicle manufacturers that we support have large engineering departments, and our folks are working full-time for them, integrated with their process engineers to develop a system design.
RPA does work with an electric vehicle manufacturer where we work with their engineering teams within their Navisworks and Revit models. We manage updates from vendors. We design and update P&IDs. We update equipment layouts and electrical panel locations. We route process piping. We work with the owner and engineers to develop a conceptual model of the building for cost estimates and funding approval. And we provide continuous support as iterations of the design progress.
Since I've been at RPA now, I've got almost 3.5 years of experience with battery manufacturing companies. So we're very familiar with specifying the correct material for the piping and their equipment to make sure that they don't have any issues, because a lot of what they deal with is in corrosive environments and acid.
So very recently, the Department of Energy allocated upward of $3 billion for green energy, specifically battery manufacturing for energy storage as well as for vehicles. And RPA can play a huge part in helping companies develop that. They oftentimes are building, greenfield sites or even renovating buildings and brownfield sites to turn into manufacturing plants to create battery products that are efficient for customers, but also environmentally friendly. So with the rapid growth in clean energy, RPA is able to help our clients get those greenfield and brownfield sites up and running quickly. In fast-paced design build projects, such as getting manufacturing up and running in a quick pace for battery manufacturing, RPA is able to assist our clients with that, with a breadth of services, mechanical and electrical, plumbing, process design, anything that you could think of, including plant layout. We're able to do that quickly so that they can start manufacturing batteries faster and be able to use that Department of Energy allocation.
For RPA, from a battery, the partnerships that we've been able to put together with our battery clientele has afforded us an opportunity to certainly understand their processing and their ability and how they make batteries, but also the facility requirements around the support structure. So the dynamics of their piping systems, acid storage, the particular equipment for filling, for charging, for fine finishing are just significantly different. And our background with our past clients has allowed us to really kind of grow in those areas and be able to support the clientele the right way.